Now, I love Google Docs because I can both store and share so many items in there. But what happens if I have all of these documents that I've created in other programs like Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint and so on that now I want to store in my Google Docs? Well, I can store them, and here's how. I am going to upload a syllabus that I've created, and right now it is saved in Google Docs. So I am just going to create a new folder so that way I can keep everything nice and straight. I'm going to call this Syllabi so that way I can put new ones in there as well. And it's creating, and we should see it populate any moment now. There it is. So now I'm going to double click on this. There's nothing in here, so I can drag and drop things. I'll show you that in just a moment. But for right now, I'm just going to upload something new. So I'm going to go to New, Upload File. Now you notice that you could also upload folder there, but I'm just going to get one item. And now I'm going to find that item that I have. And it is stored in here. And I just happen to know exactly where it is, so I can just go to it, find it, click open, and now you can see down here that it is uploading, and then you can see the W in front of it, so it is a Word document. Okay, so I'm going to double click on this to open, and you can see right here that I can't edit this. It looks different than things do whenever we look at them in Google Docs, and I'm clicking all over the place and I'm getting nothing. So here's what I can do though. If I decide I need to edit this, I can go right here to where it says open and click open with Google Docs. Let me show right here, you can do it a different way as well. I can do a right click on there, click open with Google Docs, and it's going to convert that Word file into a Google Docs, so now I can edit that and see it remembers what my name was. Now remember, it keeps that file extension, the .doc, but now I can change this and make edits. Okay, so, and I could have shared it as a Word document, but now I can share this so that people can collaborate and edit this as well. So I'm going to close this just so you can see here. Now I have two files. I have the Word doc, it still has the W in front of it, and I have the Google Doc. I can also just drag and drop one. So let me find one that looks a little bit different. Here's the draft of that same item. I can click on that, drag, drop it over here, and it's uploading as well. There we go. Now again, this one is saved as a Word doc. So I can go into my settings if I want to, and I can tell my Google Drive to convert any item over to Google Docs. So the way I would do that is just go here, go to Settings, Convert Uploads to Google Docs Editor Format. This is going to be upon upload, and I hit Done. So now, let's find one more. I closed that last time, so it might take me just a minute to find one. And let's take this one here. Drag, drop. Let me close that. This one is going up. Okay, and this one here, look, it did not upload it as a Word file. This one converted it to Google Docs because I changed that setting. So that's a personal preference. If you want it to be like that, I found that the purpose for me to add things to Google Drive was that I could, one, save storage space, and two, collaborate with others so that we could all edit an item together. And I got tired of telling that to keep my Word file and then open it in Google Docs. So I changed my settings so that it would allow that. You can experiment and do what is best for you, and that's the easiest way that you can do it.